good evening, and as you can see, it's day 33, and before day 35 they say that the piglets automatically have the instinct to leave the mother. They are ready for weaning. See that? Here is the mother pig, and the remaining 12 piglets. So hope that you understand the instinct of the piglets, that they are ready for weaning. Hope that you will like this video. Also subscribe and share. Enjoy and take care and keep safe.